Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet. Damn, ain't that great.
Hi guys, so good evening and welcome back to my magical world. It's me, Frostbite, your favorite celebrity here in the Philippines. It's 11:20 in the evening right now. Today is Thursday, so yeah, amazing day. I've accomplished and I've finished all my tasks and goals for the day, but it is so tiring. Like I don't know, I'm so really tired, guys. so um yeah, but I am grateful for the entire month because I finally have a little bit of rest. It's just a little bit, guys. So anyways, I'm still grateful for this month, and let's all welcome in a few minutes for, it's gonna be August. So that's the let invite good things starting tomorrow. And yun nga. So let's just finish this chapter. So we're actually done, guys, with chapter 5, and it's just perfect timing that tomorrow, in a few minutes, we're going to start a new chapter, which is chapter 6. So now I'm just ending this chapter, and let's just finish it so that we can move on finally. Okay, so yan, may pimple ako dyan, and don't worry about it kasi even if it's so annoying. So anyways, you must not ignore the years of practice, the endless routines, the hours of doubt, and tenacious overcoming of obstacles these people endured. Creative energy is the fruit of such efforts and nothing else. One thing that I wanted to remind you, of course, because we have a lot of goals, diba? And on a certain day, when you reach your goals, sometimes I have to remind you that don't reach it just because you wanted to finish it. Sometimes you really need to enjoy every moment on how you do things, the way you do things, 'di ba? Kasi it's life. I mean, I told you the end goal of this is the second life. So, uh, learn to take it slow and be grounded. Kaya nga, as a fire sign myself, um, I have friends that are earth signs. Siyempre, bahala kayo, hindi kayo naniniwala dun, di ba? Nag-explain lang naman ako. So, one of my friend, when I'm talking to her, like, she grounds my entire system. Like, she makes me feel grounded. Like, I'm not on a rush, or, I don't know, it's just very calming. Like, I'm not agitated. Like, I want to, like, every step is like a sweet small step, like that, guys. Di ko alam kung nagigets nyo ba, basta ganun, guys. Okay, so meron ditong parang saying or quote, or I don't know, something. I'm gonna read it na, ha. So our vanity, our passions, our spirit of imitation, our abstract intelligence, our habits, ano ba yun, have long been at work, and it is not the task of art to undo this work of theirs, making us travel back in the direction from which we have come to the depths where what he really existed lies unknown within us. So that was from Marcel Proust. Yan, so we're done na with pages 246. So this is the end chapter of chapter 5. Okay, napamigay ko na pala yung dogs ko kanina. I hope they will absolutely take care of it. Because, kind of love them. Pag tumatagal talaga sa'yo, it's like you have no choice but to take care of them. So, yan. Yeah, we're done. Ang galing nyo, guys. Natapos na natin. So, eventually, mag-move on na tayo to another chapter. And thank you guys for listening. Thank you for helping me make this world a better place for all of us and for the future generation. So, slow down. But end of the month na ngayon. So, you know, take care. And take small step. One at a time. Ganun.